Good morning, people. We out here again. Gonna try this again. Get some more moon pics there. Video. So yesterday I figured out why I was getting all that glare. See, I was supposed to have it like this. How I had it was I had it open like that, which was bringing in way too much light. So that's why I was getting that glare. I'm supposed to put this on to reduce some of the light because it's daytime, and then we'll just look through that, and we're gonna see how it comes out. Hopefully we get some good video this time.